everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going for another little walk, so I thought you could come along with me. Gorgeous day again. So yes, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get going. Also, I just think I'll go down here. It's like a little shortcut. I thought we could go and see what's called the Nine Arches that I think I've mentioned before. Oh, look at that, isn't it gorgeous? I feel so lucky to live where I do, I really do. So some exciting news, the game is ready to go. So I'm going to be doing a video on that today, which I'll have it ready for Tuesday, which is the Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Because I'm thinking I might do all the viewpoints first, so I can do all my fast travel and so on. And it's just so pretty. Oh, look at that! I absolutely love nature, me. So yeah, I just have to get through all the viewpoints and everything first, so I can do all my fast travelling. And once I've done that and finished doing that, then I'll start the game for you all to see. We're just on the other side of the canal. I think I did do a video of this once before, haven't I? But on the other end, this is going the opposite direction to where I was last time. It's just beautiful, this. Just listening to how peaceful it is out here. Another thing I just wanted to have a little talk about was like a channel update, if you like. Well, let's just go and have a little spot down here. I've not been here before. Oh, look at this. Let's go down a little bit more. There's some cyclists going to go past now. Oh, this is just so beautiful. Just taking a moment just to soak this in. Anyway, so yeah, sorry about that. So a channel update is what I wanted to discuss, because obviously at first I didn't know what I wanted to do with the channel, so I put a bit of everything in there. And I've come to realise if people want to look for something and they've seen something on the channel that they like, and I'm not doing much of it because I've got a mix of everything going on, I'm not really going to get the viewers, I'm not going to get the subscribers. So I thought, because of the situation of lockdown, I'm limited to where I can go, so I can only go around local areas. So I'll show as much of the local areas as I can, because I do promise you I do go out and about a lot, but obviously I can't at the moment, so I'm kind of restricted on what I can do. So so yeah, let's just have one little last look at this. So yeah, it's just going to be, you know, bring you on walks with me, so, you know, include some nature videos in there, and gaming, because at the moment I've got all the time in the world to do all this. Yeah, so when all this is over and we can all get back to normal, then I'll be doing a lot more. So there'll be a lot more adventures to go along with. Still put some gaming in there, but what I'm going to do is, instead of posting constantly all the time, because it'll be hard to keep up with, I think, I might give it a bit of structure and do like so many videos a week. Maybe while I've got all the time in the world, I could probably do 4 videos a week. The rest of the days I could be recording and editing, so it gives me some time. So if I do like, so if I do like 4 videos a week, the other days I can focus on you know, like I said, editing and the posting and everything, because it does take time. Like yesterday, posting for Monday, for tomorrow. Oh look. Oh yeah, so that took all day yesterday. Okay, so we've got let the bikers go past and we can carry on now. The other thing I wanted to say is I've had a notification from YouTube, and they've notified me to say that I've had a lot of views. People have been checking out my channel, checking out my videos, but there's a massive percentage of people that's not subscribing. So get clicking the subscribe button, because I promise you there's going to be lots of adventures coming up in the future and you're going to miss out. So yes, there's about 75% of people that have visited the channel, checked out my videos and not subscribed. So come on people, get clicking that button, because you know we've got, again, there is so much to come, there really is, and I promise you, you know, when all this is over, back to normal, like I keep saying. Just bear with, runners going past again. So yes, I promise you there is going to be so much more to come in the future, and it is, like I say, it is so difficult. And I know I sound like a stuck record, but there is so much restriction at the moment, but I am, you know, we're still going to have fun. You know, look at this beautiful place that you're looking at right now, and there's more walks to do. You know, there's more gaming to come. I'm going to do some reaction towards, we're doing some horror games, once I can figure out how to do the split screen, that is, because it's not working and it's really bugging me. Yeah, and there's so many more adventures to come once we're all free and back to normal. I mean, just look at that view. Hey there, beautiful, look at that. Gorgeous. So here we are. Oh, by the way, there's Mucky Mountain. In fact, so you can see a bit of its history on why it's called the Mucky Mountains, I will go over to this notice board so you can have a peek. So let's have a look. Oh. Mucky Mountains. There it is. Okay, so here we come to the second part of the walk. You can go down that way, which you normally go. I'm going this way. That way goes towards where I were on my, was it second to first video? The Gypsy Bud is down that end. Well, this trail goes to the Nine Arches. Do you know, I did look up some of the history, but to be honest with you, because I was a bit under the weather yesterday, I've completely forgot. Behind the Nine Arches. Terrible, I know. But I'm thinking it's one of the railway lines to the Vulcan Works. But don't bank me on that one, because I could be wrong. But my friend will probably comment to fill it in, because he's great with his history. So yeah, it's just a lovely day, absolutely gorgeous, peaceful. So with these videos, I will respond to your comments as you put them in. I will reply, will respond. I've had a couple already and there's some lovely feedback, but I would like to have more, because so then I know what's working for you all. And let's see, another one that I'm thinking of will be quite a big one, actually. One I haven't done for a long time. So that would be the best part of, say, it'd probably take me at least an hour and a half to do, but I don't think the video will be that long. So I'll probably show you the best bits. It's a lovely walk. Like I say, it's quite long as well. So that's something to stay tuned for, because it is lovely, a lovely walk. And as you can see, I'm so lucky to live where I do, because this is just lovely, isn't it? I mean, you can see right through the bottom of that stream. And as you've seen in a previous video, I've had so many likes on the video that I put together with all the places I've been, where I've been on my hikes and so on. There've been so many likes with that, but not subscribing. That's the thing, you see. But that kind of thing is what is to come in the future, so I'll definitely bring you along on those. I've been to some really beautiful places around the UK. Oh, I'm sorry I keep stopping, but it's just so pretty. I'm going to be going, you know, when we get the opportunity to fly, I'm going to be going on holidays abroad, and I'll take you along with me there. You know, look up a bit of the history before I do, so if I see anything that's historical, I'll do a bit of a chat. And the funniest thing about me travelling on a plane is the fact that I've never been on one. So that is going to be funny in itself, because I'm probably going to be crapping myself. So I'm really looking forward to that. That might be towards the end of the year though. We don't know how long this is going to be. We don't know how long lockdown's going to be for or anything. So, and by the way, I hope you're all being safe, looking out for yourself and looking out for each other, because these are hard times, very hard times. You know, especially people with mental health. You know, people who live alone. people who are vulnerable. It's a struggle, and it's hard. So I hope you're all taking care, because it's not very nice. But when it's all over, there's so much to see, so much to do. Go and live life like it's your last, you know, make the most of it. Because we all take things for granted sometimes, you know. So I'm just looking forward to travelling, seeing different countries, different cultures. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that indeed. And I'm looking forward to bring you along with me. You know, because I'm always taking photos. Oh my god, I can't speak, that saved my life. I'm always taking photos. I'm no photographer, but I do, like you've seen in previous video, I do enjoy taking photos, building memories, hopefully put a travel journal together. But then I thought, well, why not vlog these travels? Why not vlog these adventures? Go and explore things. Be a bit of a rebel sometimes and have a little sneak peek at something if you come across something, so why not? And I love to share my experiences with you all. So, you know, I would love you to come along with me, but you need to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're aware of when these videos are uploaded. This is all to come, so you have to stay tuned. But for now, this is still beauty in itself, and we are very close to the bridge. So the big reveal will be shortly, so I will see you in a sec. Well, before the big reveal, I thought I'd have a little venture down this way, because I haven't actually been this way before. So I thought, let's have a little explore, shall we? There's lots of bubbles coming up over there. So yeah, let's have a little explore, let's have a venture what's down here. Those horses in the right at the back there. Oh wow. And I've got this thing about, I can't even see it on camera, it's gone. Where are you? I can't see on the camera, but one of my biggest things is I love birds of prey. And every time I see a buzzard, I'm like, buzzard! I know, it's a bit strange. Oh, I nearly shown you the reveal. Might see it round this corner anyway. Oh. Sparkly. So yes, I haven't been down this way before, so looking forward to seeing what's round here. I think it might just carry on right to the end, to be honest. But we'll have a little peek. I love doing this, like if there's any like little nooks and crannies that I can find, I like to oh yeah, you can get the reveal of the so we'll wait. I mean, it's not major, it is a bridge, but it's a piece of history. Another piece of history that hopefully never gets knocked down, which I don't think they will, because it's a continuous main rail line. So I don't think they will. But it's such a shame with that other place. If I can find more places like that, I'm going to try and do some research for you and see if there's any little hidden gems or anywhere else around where I live. The other big problem is I don't drive. So at the moment I can't exactly go anywhere major. And this little cave that I was on about, right? Apparently it's not so much a cave, but it is a little spot where one of the soldiers from the Civil War hidden if I get him from getting that right. So I got this information off someone else, so don't bank me on that. So probably still go and have a look. So we are here, and I will go back the other way, show you another view from another angle, and then I'll call it a day. So here we are. So this is one of the famous bridges in where I live. And it's absolutely massive. I mean, it doesn't look like much like it's called the 9 arches because it has 9 arches. But I mean, it's history. So I mean, look. I mean, there's the other angle, but it's not as great as what will be over there. I'll just show you the mass of this. I mean, I'm not even under it yet. And that's how big it is. It's just humongous. It'd be great to come here at night, but no way am I doing that on my own. So, yes, I'm going to go this way now, right? So I will leave you with a little bit of everything, a little bit of last minute look before I go. Sorry, camera's gone a bit funny. So yes, thank you so much again for watching. Please leave a like, leave a comment with your reviews, please, 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 because it would help me give the content that you want, and I know what you like and what you don't. And more importantly, please, please subscribe, because it's great. I mean, look. So hope you've enjoyed, and again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to, sorry, I just thought I heard something. Don't forget to stay strong, stay safe, and live life to the full. See you again soon. Bye. Right, I've just on the way back home and I found a small discovery footpath which I haven't seen before, so let's have a few extra minute adventure. Wow, like, I thought it was a bridge along there. I mean, look at that tree. Let's just have a quick look up here. Oh, I know where that goes. It goes to a... oh, do I? No, I don't. Let's go and have a look. I mean, look at the size of that. I mean, wow. If I was a kid, I'd be well climbing that. So yeah, let's, I think I know where it leads. But there's only one way to find out. Let's see. Oh yeah, I know where we are. So, looks like we're back. Well, only a few minutes. God, I'm knackered. A few minutes extra, so yeah. Till next time, peeps. See you later.